Yo. The fight in the ANC is so bad. They also tried to spin what Ramaphosa said. That's not what he was saying. Clement uklava ukufaki kwigroup bayalo kuyaliwa kuthiwa abantu bazasivotela njani abantu xa sithengiswa yipresident yethu. Come on, ndinifundela. I want to show you guys uHelen Zille poste uRamaphosa enxibe iskipa se-DA. Yeah. So Clement just posted now on Twitter. Utubana Mzwandile Masina. He tried to spin what the president said yesterday. He tells me on the Clement Manyetela show that the president didn't mean that DA has best run metros. He says, I quote, there is a little the ANC can learn from the DA. We are talking. That is definitely not what he said. He's lying. Uti, but the president, there is little the ANC can learn from the DA. But the DA can learn a lot from the ANC. Oh, sana. Abasaxakwe ngamaqabane kaThami. Baxakwe bayagowa. Phofu, on the other hand, this is what Helen posted, son. She's having a field day, son. Helen. Agumandi. Quick groups. Someone wrote Power Groups is the ANC. Why must anyone vote for the ANC in the local government elections when our very own president is telling us to learn from the DA-run municipalities? Ay sana kubi. Amaqabane kaThami awavika mnandi.